So I think there's many opportunities for Vietnamese businesses to get involved. You can consider it on several aspects. So Vietnamese businesses may want to be the developer themselves. Yeah. They may want to actually develop the green energy and transmit it to EVN. They may also want to be the consumer, be it on a local level, as in my house I want to receive green energy, or I have a Vietnamese factory and I would like to have green energy coming to my factory. Those are a couple of aspects, but also there's elements of the supply chain where businesses can get involved to support green energy providers, steel fabricators, logistics, lots and lots of different things to think about. I think the last point to build upon this one in terms of opportunities would be on capacity building. And when I say capacity building, I mean the potential job boost and upskilling that's going to come, particularly from new renewable energies industries. So there's going to be training required and lots of skills and new workforce required for this. And I actually think Vietnam is actually quite well placed to provide this. It doesn't need to welcome in lots of foreigners to do this. There's already a decent level to deliver this. Yeah. When it comes to the second aspect of your question, I think it's really good to consider some of these new technologies will come in with a price, and we know it's not going to be as affordable as many of the renewable energy aspects. What we should do is consider that instead of making the Vietnamese communities and the Vietnamese people deal with this price can actually go straight to the off-takers. So we've talked previously about direct power purchase agreements. If you can arrange something between a green energy generator and someone that is willing to take green energy at a premium without impacting Vietnamese people, Vietnamese communities, then there's a way of generating money directly without putting the cost on local people. And my final point would be that you can consider aspects such as self-consumption. So where businesses want to actually generate the green energy themselves through stuff like technology stuff, rooftop solar is a really good example where they will install rooftop solar themselves and then they can use that energy without interfering with the EVN grid, and they feel they've got their own source of energy and their own green aspect.